An angle grinder is the most useful tool in your shop, and the one most likely to ruin your day if you buy the wrong one. So I went through 10 of the most popular grinders out there and narrowed it down to the 8 that are actually worth your money. One for every budget and every job. Corded, cordless, pro, and budget. Stick around to number 1 because it's the one I'd hand to anybody. Real quick before we start, full disclosure, links to every grinder are in the description, and you won't pay a cent more by using them. Okay. Let's go. Coming in at number 8, if you want to open the box and get straight to work, the Metabo HPTG12 SR4 angle grinder. It's a 6.2 ampere corded grinder, about 4 pounds, so it's light and easy to handle. The headline here is the value bundle. It ships with a hard carrying case and 5 grinding wheels, so you're not making a second trip to the store. It's got a spindle lock for quick wheel changes and a quick off-slide switch. It's not the most powerful tool on this list, but for the price, getting the case and the wheels thrown in is a genuinely great deal. Number 7. Best Max Speed, Avhrit 10 ampere angle grinder. Number 7 is for the speed demons, the Avhrit 10 ampere angle grinder. This thing spins at 13,000 RPM, the fastest no-load speed of anything I looked at. Pair that with a beefy 1200-watt motor and a compact aluminum body, and it absolutely tears through cutting, grinding, and polishing. That speed is fantastic for fast material removal. Just respect it. Keep both hands on the tool and let the disc do the work. Number 6. Best budget, Wen angle grinder. If you're watching your wallet, number 6 is your tool, the Wen angle grinder. Wen built their name on affordable tools that just work, and this 7 ampere grinder is exactly that. It's lightweight, it's got a comfortable rubber grip, a lock-on side switch, and a handle you can move to either side for left or right-handed use. For the occasional weekend project, you do not need to spend more than this. Simple, reliable, cheap. Number 5. Best lightweight and ergonomics, Bosch GWS8 4.5 angle grinder. Number 5 is the one your hands will thank you for, the Bosch GWS8 4.5 angle grinder. Bosch nailed the ergonomics here. It's a slim 7.5 ampere grinder with a grip that's easy to hold for long sessions, directed airflow cooling to keep it running, and a burst protection guard for safety. It's also got Bosch's service minder brush system, so it tells you when it's time for maintenance. If you grind for hours at a time, comfort stops being a luxury and starts being the whole point. This is the one that won't wear out your wrist. Number 4. Best DIY, AVID Power 7.5 ampere angle grinder. For the home workshop, number 4 is the perfect match, the AVID Power 7.5 ampere angle grinder. This one hits a really nice sweet spot for DIYers. You get a quick 12,000 RPM motor, a slim ergonomic grip, and the kit comes loaded. Grinding wheels, cutting wheels, a flap disc, the auxiliary handle, and even spare carbon brushes. Basically everything a DIYer needs to tackle their first dozen projects, all in one box, at a price that's hard to argue with. Number 3. Best cordless value, AOBEN cordless angle grinder. Now we go cordless. Number 3 is the AOBEN 21-volt brushless grinder. Here's why this is such good value. It's brushless, which means more runtime and a longer-lasting motor, and it comes with 2 4-ampere-hour batteries and a charger in the box. With most cordless tools, the batteries sold separately. so that's real money saved. You also get 3 speed settings and a paddle switch. If you want to ditch the cord without spending pro money, start here. Number 2. Best Pro Cordless DEWALT DCG 413B Angle Grinder. Number 2 is the cordless grinder I'd put in a professional's hands, the DEWALT DCG 413B Angle Grinder. This is where the safety tech gets serious. It's got a kickback brake that stops the wheel in a fraction of a second if the tool binds or stalls, plus E-clutch and E-switch protection. The brushless motor delivers efficient, consistent power for all-day work. One catch, it's sold as a bare tool, so you'll need a 20-volt max battery if you don't already own DEWALT. But if you're in the DEWALT ecosystem already, this is a no-brainer pro pickup. Number 1. Best Overall DEWALT DWE 402 Angle Grinder. And the best overall angle grinder, the one I'd recommend to just about anybody, the DEWALT DWE 402 Angle Grinder. This is the do-it-all champ. An 11-amp motor gives you serious power for metal fabrication, cutting, and grinding. It's got a dust ejection system that pushes debris out to keep it running longer, oversized brushes for extended motor life, and a compact ergonomic body that's easy to control. The paddle switch with a safety lock-off means the second you let go, it stops. Add a 3-year limited warranty, and you've got a grinder that pros trust and DIYers won't outgrow. It's not the cheapest on this list, but if you only buy one grinder and you want it to last, this is the one. My number 1, no question. That's my top 8. Links to every single one are down in the description. If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I've got tool comparisons like this dropping every week. And tell me in the comments, which grinder are you running right now? I read every one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.